Hi friends, the move you just saw now is the boxer step heel toe tap variation. This is one of those beautiful rhythmic moves which goes very well with music. There are some moves which are easier to see and learn than explain in words. This is one such move. But anyway, I'll try to break it down in such a way that learners amongst us, beginners amongst us can understand and get it. This jump rope trick or this jump rope move has three components or three moves in it. We will break it down and talk about each move. The three moves which are involved are: one, the basic bounce, which I'm sure all of you know, side angle. The second move is the boxer step heel tap or the front heel tap, which is like this. Let us look at it on the side view. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Left leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's better that we practice the alternating mode. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. And the third move which is involved is the toe tap, or specifically the rear toe tap, which goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We will see it in the side view. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. On the left side, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And as in the case of the previous step, it is better we practice with alternating feet, which should go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. So these are the three moves which are involved in this heel toe tap move. Basic bounce, front heel taps, and third is rear toe taps. And one very important point to remember is, when you look at the boxer step heel toe tap, when you see it for the first time, you may think it's a 3-count move, but it is not a 3-count move. Please remember this, it is a 4-count move. If you are starting from the front, it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are doing the heel tap, basic bounce, rear toe tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are starting from the front, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are starting from the rear toe tap with 1 being there, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So whether you start from the front of you, which is the heel tap, or you start from behind you, which is the rear toe tap, the cycle is the same. The feet keeps going, the revolution is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. The feet is always moving like this. It is like the arm you see in the train. The direction is the same irrespective of where you start the count from. We have broken down the moves. Now it is better that we practice it without the rope, with each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one more important point which I wanted to touch base on and share with you. I'll request you to just focus. Like I told you, it's a 4-count move. The most important count in this is the count number 2. The reason I'm telling you that, I'll show it to the demo. So we start with basic bounce. Basic bounce, basic bounce, basic bounce. And then we are ready to get into the heel toe tap. The first step is right leg will go to heel tap. 1. This is easy. I'm sure everybody will do it. 2 is the right leg from the heel tap position comes to basic bounce, right? Basic bounce. 1, 2, right? But point number 2, or the count 2, is where the right leg comes from heel tap to the basic bounce. Simultaneously, the left leg moves to the rear toe tap. Just stay with me and have a look. 1, 2. See? 1, 2. So second count is where the left leg starts getting into the cycle. The cycle is same. So if you get that second step, automatically your mind will fall into place and you will get the motion going very smoothly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sure you will get this in maximum 4 or 5 tries. I'm confident about it. Give it a try. Enjoy your jumps. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. And in case you found this video useful, do leave it in the comment. Any question, any feedback, everything is welcome. Feel free to leave it in the comment section. Till I see you in the next video. Bye bye.